Hi, Mia Secret Lovers. I'm Tessa Toulouse, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Polymia gel range. This range is popular, and a lot of people speak about hybrid gels, and this is our range. It is available in different colors, and I love using Polymia. You can use it with a tip application, or you can use it on a natural nail as an overlay. Firstly, you can also use your luxury base and top as a base coat for this system, or you can use it straight onto the natural nail without using a base coat. I have had success both ways, but to ensure that my client can go and this product will last, I will always try my best and I will add luxury as a base coat just to make sure for in case. Okay, so firstly, I prepared my client's natural nail. As you can see, I have the chalk effect. This is exactly what you need for an enhancement to make it last. I am now using my nail prep. This is part of my preparation methods, where a nail prep dehydrates the natural nail so that my acid-free primer can penetrate into the surface of the natural nail bed. Only one coat is needed for this application, and you can be generous. Okay, so I have applied my nail prep and my extra bond, and I am now ready for product application. I'm going to do one thin layer of my luxury base. Empty your brush so that you do not have any product buildup. I'm going to brush this on smoothly. We do not need to build anything right now, and I'm going to introduce her into the lamp for 60 seconds. Next, I will use my Polymia, my gel cleanse, and my gel brush. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze my Polymia from my tube, and then I'm going to mold my Polymia into perfection. You can apply this with one pearl, or you can add if you need more product, but I would always suggest to do one pearl, cure, and then see if you need more product. This product cures in the lamp LED for 60 seconds, and I like to do a final cure to make sure that it's dry for an extra 30 seconds. So we can go up to 90 seconds on final cure for Polymia. Polymia has a very light to none inhibition layer, so after you have cured your Polymia, you can cleanse with your gel cleanser, and then you can start filing. This is as strong as acrylic. Okay, so I'm going to open my tube. I am going to take my client's nail, and I am going to squeeze a pearl onto the natural nail. I will then be using my gel cleanser as my liquid that creates a kind of a lubricant for my product. So now I'm going to blend my cuticle area with my brush in a 45-degree angle to make sure that it is completely flush around the cuticle area. Now I can see that I have quite a product build-up in the front. I'm going to wet my brush with my cleanser, and I am going to spread this product to the sides, all over, to the other side. Make sure that it's flush around the edges, all over, and make sure that you seal the free edge. If you see that your brush gets stuck to your product, wet it again with gel cleanse and just pat it into perfection. Remember, this will not dry unless you introduce it to your lamp, so it gives you enough time to mold it into perfection. There we go. Now you can see it is quite thick, it is quite high, but we will file it into perfection, and our Polymia does not create a heat spike. So you can introduce your client straight into the lamp and you can cure this for 60 seconds. As I'm happy with the thickness of my application, I can now close my Polymia and I can go straight onto cleanse and filing. We are now waiting for our lamp, and I have wet my wipe with my gel cleanse, and I just need to make sure that there's no sticky inhibition layer, and I can now start filing my enhancement. Firstly, I'm going to file my side walls just to make sure that my nail is in the correct shape, and then I'm going to follow my Mia Secret filing sequence to create a perfect structure. My file that I'm using is quite old, and that is what is special about Mia Secret is our files, our paper on our files are imported from Japan, and the quality of the paper is extremely high. So you can wash your files and let them dry and use them again until you feel that they are blunt or they do not work anymore. So I'm almost ready and almost done filing. You will also notice that Polymia files down extremely fast. It files faster than acrylic. It is a bit more fine, as you can see with the dust. It's definitely finer than acrylic, and it files easier as well. So if you have a client that wants a gel enhancement but the strength of acrylic, you will use our Polymia range. I'm now going to seal the cuticle area by filing it in a 45-degree angle so that I do not remove my apex. That needs to be 25 to 50% into the natural nail. So my nail is now filed into perfection, and I am now going to dust and cleanse my finger. As you can see, this nail has a perfect apex, it is strong, and this product is not soakable. So if you want to remove Polymia, you need to buff it off and then reapply whatever needs be or whatever you would like to do. When my gel cleanse is dry, I am going to add 1 coat of Extra Bond to make sure that my gel polish does not chip. I did not buff my nail as I want a little bit of roughness to the enhancement so that my gel polish can stick to it and last 4 to 6 weeks without chipping. If you didn't want to add a color, you can now top coat this with any of our 4 different top coats that we have in our Mia Secret range. Because it is as strong as acrylic, our thin viscosity high shine top coats will not chip off, but in this case I'm going to use a color, so I'm going to add my luxury basin top as my top coat for this service. Okay, a thin layer will be applied from the back to the front. I'm going to use my cuticle scraper to remove the excess that touched the skin, and I'm going to cure this nail for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Remember, colors that is highly pigmented can always be double cured to ensure that the color is dry and that you do not lose any of your color. Now I'm going to apply my second coat to my enhancement. I'm going to ensure that there is no dust or contaminants on my nail, and I'm going to cure again in my LED for 30 seconds. My next step will be my luxury top gel, and you will see that if you polish your luxury base and top, when you are removing the inhibition layer and you are using your gel cleanser, you can polish the nail for a higher shine. Okay, so now that I have cured my second coat of gel polish, my Gelux, I am going to add a thin layer of my luxury base and top as my top coat all over the nail, and I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Now that I have cured my luxury base and top, I will be using my gel cleanser to remove the inhibition layer from this top coat, and I will apply some pressure when I remove this, and you can see that you have a perfect high shine enhancement on the natural nail with an apex, and these nails will last you 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you very much.